Final Round AI tutorial, how to use Final Round AI for job interview. So first, this Final Round AI is an advanced AI-powered interview simulator that helps candidates prepare for job interviews across industries, from tech to finance, marketing, and more. So basically, this is what it looks like. Now, what you're going to do here is you have to create an account. You have your options here on how to create one. For me, the easiest way is to connect it to my Google account. Wait for a couple of seconds, and here it is. So this is the interface of Final Round. For the first option, we cannot use this because we need to upgrade into premium. We can only use this I need to prep for an interview because this one is for free. Also below, I just want to explore, you can try this one out. But for our tutorial, we're going to use the second one. Now tell us about a role you're interviewing for. Let's just say this is your role. Everything is up to you. You can choose from any of the option below. And then your desired role. To look for choices, just tap on the drop down menu. Now click on next step. You can upload your resume, but actually this one is optional. So launch checklist. You can also skip this part right here and then just launch the Final Round AI. On the left side, these are the tools that we are going to use: Interview with Copilot, Mock Interview, Preparation Hub, and so on. So let's start with the first one here, or the first option, which is Interview with Copilot. Click this one right here. Wait for a couple of seconds. And you can also follow this. You can add your resume, you can add your position, but actually this one is optional. So tap on. Now you can see option here such as general interview. The other options we cannot use this one because we need to upgrade your plan. So don't worry, if you use the first one here, it also has tons of tools and ways on how to boost your skills, boost your confidence when it comes to your interview. So you can start your next interview here. You can add resume. This one is optional. Your role, select knowledge. So you can add this general for now because you can choose other option right here because I'm just using, or you're just using the basic version. If you want to unlock these features, you need to upgrade your plan. Okay, so all you have to do is select what you prefer, and then after that you can now schedule, or you can now start your next interview. So this is what it looks like, and once you have added information here, just proceed. For the other features like what I've mentioned, we cannot use it one. Okay, and the status you will see it right here once you have added a general interview. Okay, now let's proceed to a mock interview right here. What can we see? So here you can use this tool. Start job readiness assessment, also mock interview here. So let's just try the first ones. All you have to do is to add your resume here, but actually this one is optional. So you can now select your existing information if you have. Now, this one here, this what we call job readiness assessment. This one is a key feature that evaluates how prepared you are for a real job interview. It uses AI-driven simulations and performance analytics to measure your interview readiness across multiple dimensions. So all you have to do is to add your position here, your role, the company, job description, company details. You can also add your resume, but actually this one is optional. So after that, you can now proceed. And then here, with the realistic interview simulation, you go through a timed voice-based mock interview where the AI asks common and role-specific questions like behavioral, technical, or situational. It mimics a real-life interview scenario. Now next is this Start Mock Interview. It's a feature that lets you begin a real-time AI-driven practice interview tailored to your job role, industry, and experience level. So when you click Start Mock Interview, the AI acts like a human interviewer and asks you questions through voice or video depending on your settings. So you just have to follow or add some information right here. And then last is this Final Round AI Start Practicing Questions. This feature is a tool that lets you warm up and improve your interview skills by answering individual questions without committing to a full mock interview session. So you can also add a company here and then just add some information, and then you can now start with your mock questions here. So you can choose to generate one question at a time, practice your answer aloud, get immediate AI feedback on delivery, clarity, tone, and structure, replay, review, and refine your responses. Okay, so these are the samples. You can now start recording. You can also answer the question through text. So everything is up to you. So just click start practicing questions, and then within seconds you will get the confidence score, feedback on tone, clarity, and filler words. Now you can start speaking. Make sure that you have allowed your microphone here. And then after that, you can now proceed. So you can also end this one anytime. Everything is up to you. So So of course, why use this one? This one is great for daily drills on warm-ups, help you master frequently asked questions, trains you to answer under light pressure, and perfect for quick sessions when you don't have time for a full interview. Now let's move on to interview preparation hub. If you're ready, just tap the prepare button. So this interview Preparation Hub is your central dashboard for structured interview prep. It combines resources, personalized recommendations, and AI-driven tools to help you get interview ready faster and smarter. So you just have to add some information here. Now, in this interview preparation hub, it's an all-in-one workspace where you can access tailored mock interviews, track your performance, learn from feedback, study top-rated answers, explore company-specific interview guides. So think of it as your command center for preparing, practicing, and improving across all stages of the interview process. Once done, tap on Got It. Okay, so that is for interview preparation hub. You can see the progress here, all information in this section. Okay, now again, you can end this anytime, this interview anytime. So basically, these are the tools here in the final round AI. There are also a lot of tools below if you want to use this one. Also, this final round AI has this AI resume builder, AI material generator. Also, this has this AI job hunter, which is indeed very helpful. AI career coach, very useful, and speak with recruiters. So again, it has also interview questions here, samples, and all you have to do is to practice it with yourself. So basically, there are a lot of features and tools here in Final Round AI that can help you save your time, personalize your preparation, build your confidence, and help you practice smarter, not harder. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorials.